Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Jpeg or Jpeg file not opening on Windows 11. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then Settings. Now here click on Apps, here click on Default Apps. Here guys you have to find out Microsoft Photos, open it. Now here find out Jpeg and Jpeg. This one both. So select here and make sure photo is selected. Select photo in this list. If photo is not selected, then set as default. Select photo and set default. Now close and restart. Second method to fix this resolve if first method not work. So settings, apps, default apps, installed apps. Now in this list find out photos. Find out default apps. Here you will see photo. Click here. Click on installed apps. Find out in this list photo. Search here photos. Click on this three dot advanced options. Now here click on reset. Click on reset and complete this resetting. Once this complete, close and restart your system. And still guys you are facing problem, so you can try last method. Click on start, search here PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Now here copy and paste this code I will give in description. Then press enter. Complete this scanning, and once this complete, close and restart. Hopefully guys, using this simple and easy steps we can fix and resolve Jpeg or Jpeg file not opening on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and comment any method work for you or not.